Nipple drinker lines are important for poultry breeder farms because they provide a safe and constant water supply for birds, which is essential for their health, welfare, and productivity. Water quality. Nipple drinkers are less likely to contaminate water than bell drinkers, which can reduce the risk of pododermatitis. Litter quality. Nipple drinkers with cups can improve litter quality by catching water that doesn't go into the bird's mouth. Water waste. Efficient watering systems can reduce water waste and contamination. Environmental sustainability. Efficient watering systems can contribute to environmental sustainability by reducing the water footprint